Alright, now for the average guy that doesn't run tires, these are the tools that I would recommend. I'm sure I could probably find these on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description below. But these are kentool mount and dismount bars. I'm going to show you guys how to use these. And a bead hammer, regular old valve core remover, and a little bit of lube, and that's all you really need. Now these tools work very well. They're fairly inexpensive. There are some really nice dismount tools on the market these days, but these work very well. They're efficient. They were the staple of the professional tire shop for many, many years. And this is what I use, and I'm going to show you guys how to use them, make it easier on yourself. And yeah. There's your problem. Alright, so real quick here on these cat eyes, you can see we got this cat eye open here, and one question a lot of people ask me when they see I've got these on my truck and trailer is, if one tire goes flat, doesn't the other one go flat too? No. Set pressure, it closes the valve and it no longer equalizes the tires. You can see that tire is still fully inflated, and that one's totally flat. The first thing you're going to do after you take the valve core out, run something down in there, make sure there's not a chunk of ice in there. Then I always start with this side up. On steel rims, the tire must come off of the dish side like that because the drop is towards that side. On aluminum rims, the drop is centered, so it doesn't really matter, but just out of habit, I always break this side loose, flip the tire over, break the other side loose, and then the tire will come off of that side. So, first thing I'm going to do, just splash a little lube there. Then we're going to flip the tire over. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we take these tire tools, and you see this nub right here? That goes towards the rim. Put two of them in the tire, like so, spaced about yay far apart, and then step on the back side of this tire, push it down into that drop center. Pull it over, like so, and then generally what I'll do is I'll just cross these like this, push up a little more, just makes it a little easier to pull one of these back out, because it is under a fair bit of tension at that point. Okay, then you flip the tire over. Instead of using this side, you're using this tip. And you come right to where the tire crosses the bead. You stick it in, and you walk it over. Stick it in, walk it over. Stick it in, walk it over, that side's off. Okay, now the next, now we're going to use this side. You see this nub here? You're going through the rim and hook this on this side of the rim right here. You just pick it up like this. Use your knee, kind of push the rim in, stick it through, pull it tight, and then you're going to drop it, and you're going to let the weight of the tire pull up on this, and it should peel it off. Doesn't go the first time, move it over a little bit, do the same thing. You're using the weight of the tire rather than your muscle. Sometimes they pop right off, other times they give you a little bit heavy, but That's off. Okay. That's one tire off. Now we're going ahead and do the other one. Then we're going to clean up the rims and on the new tires. Alright, so you're going to want to take a wire wheel, clean your bead surfaces, as well as your mounting surfaces where this either sits against the brake drum or where the two rims sandwich together. You want to make sure that's clean. Got our tires that we're going to mount on here. This is just a used set of steer tires that I want to use up. Make sure any chunks of ice are out of them. Beads are clean. Go ahead and put your lube on both beads. You're just going to walk it right up next to the rim, kind of hold it, and let the tire scoot the rim forward. You want that to be in that drop center. Just kind of trying to get it started a little bit here. Sometimes they just fall right on. I don't like using my knees hard enough to make them go on that way. So then I just take the tire bar, this curved side like this, stick it in there, step up on here, step on the tire. One more time. Take a big enough bite, that does normally go on first try, but can't win them all. Okay, there we go. Re-lube, clean the mud off from my feet there. Okay. You can see I just left that bar in there when it went over. Get it over this side, step on the tire, then bar facing this way with this nub down. We're just going to actually retake that. Bar facing this way with this nub down. This side we're going to use this part of the bar here, catch the rim. We're just going to walk it around. You notice I got this foot here on where we started, and then every time I walk it around, I move my other foot. This is where you really got to make sure you keep it locked down in that drop center. Try not to take too big of a bite. And this should be our last one. It's on there. There we go. And then we go outside while that air is up because I don't have a cage.
Alright there, YouTube, so we got some new drive tires, got a couple new trailer tires put on the truck. Some other tire related videos in the past, but I've never showed you guys how to actually change a tire, so there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.